Hi guys, we're launching a program for CET 2022. In case you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here. And today I'm keeping the demo lecture. Today I'm keeping a G strategy workshop. In case you want to attend that, just call us on any of the numbers given here. And my team will be more than happy to help you out. Just call or WhatsApp because there are some time when we are not able to solve the question. चोर नहीं है हम, क्या करें यार, तुम टाइम नहीं दोगे सॉल्व करने का तो मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूं. I'm applying G strategy for the last 4 years, and these are my last 4 years ka percentile. And today I want to pick up a new topic: count the number of triangles. Every year, this topic I have never used to come in CET, but from this year onward, this topic have started coming. 2 to 3 questions are there based on counting. It can be counting of triangles and squares. So today I want to focus on more difficult one. Trust me guys, square found करना ज़्यादा easy है. Triangle found करना is more difficult because square have a distinct figure. Triangle can take any figure. It can be equilateral triangle, it can be a rectangle, it can be any shape. So counting is more tough. तो आज मेरे को ये करना है. So before we go to the G strategy, which I want to talk about today, I want to cover up the type of questions which are there. The first type of question is very simple: triangle with lines. Triangle have few lines. Find the number of triangles here. Okay, exam it won't be that easy. Today I'm taking a basic lecture, part 1. Yeah, and then we'll have a part 2 as well. So in case you want to join us for the program, you can join us. Otherwise, you can attend the demo lecture. Demo lecture is for the verbal section. Okay, type 1 is based on triangles in triangles. Type 2 is triangle within triangle. So type 1 is triangle with lines. Type 2 is triangle within triangles. Find the number of triangles there. And type 3, triangles within a square. And this is where the problems start because see, okay, let's try this question. Try this question number 1. Try to solve it yourself. Find the number of triangles here. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 triangles are like this. Singlet. Then if I consider them twice, double, then again 1 triangle. Second triangle. The most common wrong answer is 6. No, we can have more. We can have this as well. We can have that as well. The total number become 8. Confusing? Try to solve this one. Guys, trust me, it's very scary. If you literally start counting, it will be very, very scary, especially when you move to question number 3. Or if they are more complicated questions like this. Abhi lag gayi beta. And unfortunately, time allocated to us is 45 seconds per question. 45 seconds में तुम क्या उखाड़ लोगे यार? ठीक है. So this is where I come to G strategy. G strategy is basically गरीब बच्चा. गरीब मतलब सर कुछ नहीं आता सॉल्व करने को. लेकिन हम चोर नहीं हैं. हम ईमानदारी दिखाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन तुम पेपर इतना फाड़ू डाल दोगे तो मैं क्या करूँ, टाइमिंग दोगे तो मैं क्या करूँ. So where are you going to leave the question or where you can't solve the question, we will use G strategy. Okay, I'll give the hint how I got this answer. See, G strategy is basically common sense here, common sense tricks which we can use. Here number of sides are 4, answer is 8. Here number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, answer is 12. कुछ चमका आपको लॉजिक. Here the number of sides are 8, answer is 16. कुछ समझा आपको? डबल. तो आज के बाद स्क्वायर के अंदर जितना भी ट्राइंगल्स दिख रहा है छोटा छोटा, उसका डबल इज गोइंग टू बी द नंबर ऑफ एक्चुअल ट्राइंगल्स दैट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड. सिंपल लॉजिक टू सॉल्व दिस थिंग. या व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ स्क्वायर के अंदर ट्राइंगल, लेकिन हर जगह काम नहीं आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स लुक एट दिस थिंग. इसमें ट्राइंगल 0, इसमें कितना ट्राइंगल है 2, लेकिन एक्चुअल 2 ही रहेगा, 4 नहीं होगा. वो तब आएगा व्हेन देयर मल्टीपल ट्राइंगल्स पॉसिबल, तब डबल होगा. इन दिस केस अगेन आई कैन ओनली फॉर्म 2 ट्राइंगल्स. ठीक है, बट व्हेनेवर यू गेट अ लाइंस विद इन अ सर्कल, दैट्स वेयर डबल करने का बस. ठीक है, अभी वो ना नकल के लिए अकल चाहिए होते ना. तुम यहाँ पे अभी इसका आंसर कोई बच्चा 4 लिख के आएगा कि 2 ट्राइंगल्स इंटू 2 4, तो गलत हो गया. फिर तुम ही कॉल करोगे, आपने कहा था डबल करने का, ये तो डबल हुआ ही नहीं. तो नकल की थोड़ी अकल की जरूरत होती है. अदरवाइज इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक, बट दैट्स नॉट इनफ. देयर आर मल्टीपल लॉजिक विद इन दिस वी हैव टू यूज टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. मैंने आपको एक फर्स्ट टाइप आपको दे दिया, एक टाइप आपको दे दिया. सो टोटल दे आर 4 शॉर्टकट्स वी हैव विद इन जी स्ट्रैटेजी. आज मैंने आपको एक एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. सो आपके पास 2 तरीका, यहाँ तो यू ज्वाइन अवर प्रोग्राम and let's go through all the shortcuts for every topic. मेरा target is by January end I want to pass on all the shortcuts to you. January end, in our case Feb mid max to max. ठीक है. Second type is triangle. Third type is triangle, and fourth is odd even. The four G study shortcut we can do. Today you have become expert in one. It will not take you, trust me guys, 5 seconds to solve the question. Triangle count किया, into 2 कर दिया, जय माता दी, answer solved. All the best. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture today at 6 p.m. or you want to join a program, just call us on any of the numbers given here. All the best.